because I have a lot of cramps in both hands. I have like here like something swelling in both of hands, and this hurt me a lot. And this one, like both hands, because she just do me like this. So I think something happened.
Okay, I don't know what she did, but okay. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look. See this ring finger over here. Okay, this metacarpal joint over here. It's not moving, gliding too well over here. This is fine. This is in proper alignment. Same thing with this one. Okay, so the fourth one is not gliding right. And this is jammed up too. First metacarpal is not working right either. Okay, now I'm going to take a look. Relax. That's what I thought. Now I'm going to check the elbow then. Okay, so this is, we have some ligament laxity. So what that means is this: you don't have enough nerve function coming from your neck straight down to this elbow over here. So since the elbow is a little weaker, went out, this one, the wrist, is not stable either, resulting into like domino effect. No good, no good, no good. So in a future visit, we need to address, find out what's going on in the lower part of your neck.
Okay.
Okay, just relax. Yeah. Yeah, lunate's out. Pump that up before we set this. Just let it go. There it is. Hey, how do you like that?
Wow.
See that? Didn't do anything to his finger. So what we did was illuminate, restore the biomechanics to get this fourth metacarpal to work a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, now it's gliding properly. Now it's proper alignment. See, now let's see what we do about this first metacarpal. Let it go. There. See, now it's in proper alignment. See, now it's gliding right. Squeeze it, see how you like it.
Yes, now I can.
Okay, let's take a look, see what's going on this one. Okay, this one's not too bad. Lunate's slightly misaligned. We just need to pump it. There we go. See, now it just simply slid into place. Now let's check this one. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad either. So what I do to assess for this is I put my finger right underneath here and I challenge it. I want to see how it's moving over here and feeling it as well. Here right now, everything's gliding. It's just fine. Everything's in proper alignment. We also motion it as well over here. It's not bad at all. Oh, okay. This one's a little bit stuck. So what we do is we contact right on the first metacarpal over here. Contact, distract, and pull it. Close the joint. Okay. Now give it a move. Give it a whirl. How's that done?
Doesn't hurt anymore.
How do you like that?
Yeah, I like that. Yes, I can feel the difference. Oh yeah.
All right. We're all set.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.